Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vishwajit. This is live in a day from Mumbai. Today is 25th of July and I'm shooting this video. This is part of the historic document that YouTube is creating. So right now I'm on the terrace of my building. It's around 5 in the evening and the view is just amazing. Look at that view. Right behind me is the Arabian Sea. I have my GoPro over there and hopefully I'll be able to capture the beautiful sunset. So I have 4 questions to answer. What do I love? What do I fear? What do I have in my pocket? And what would I like to change? So I will answer them one by one. Let's start with what do I love? I love my city. The city that never sleeps, the city that never stops, be it anything. Mumbai has been through a lot of situations, be it a pandemic, be a natural disaster, be it a terrorist attack. Mumbai has never stopped. Definitely, pandemic has taken a toll on every one of us, and Mumbaikars are dealing with it. It's difficult to maintain social distancing over here, but people are getting used to it. People are following now, and slowly I think Mumbai will recover from the pandemic. Not so soon, but we will recover. So what I'm afraid of, what do I fear? Definitely I don't have the fear of height, but there is one thing that I'm afraid of, or I fear a lot. That is lightning. I was in Bangalore doing my engineering and I just went near my window and started shooting, and suddenly a lightning bolt hit the building in front of me and I was just terrified by that. And since then I always had the fear of lightning. Whenever now, even in Mumbai, it's thundering, I know I just close my windows and stay away from the windows. So I definitely have the fear of lightning. So as you guys know that I'm on the terrace of my building. It's right now 6 p.m. Basically this is not the way I started my day. It was as usual, but it was a special day because we went to a workshop where Ganpati Murtis are made. As you know, there is a Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Here is a clip, do watch it. So guys, we have booked a Murti. I will show you the Murti during the Ganesh festival. Right now we are heading back home and we'll continue with the day. So what do I have in my pocket? So there is one important thing that I have in my pocket. It is sanitizer. I carry it everywhere since the pandemic, and it's been protecting me from the deadly virus. And yeah, so this is one thing that I have right now in my. And one more, the mask. Right now no one is there on the terrace, so I'm not wearing the mask. And I have, yeah, so I guess, yeah, that's it. I have two things: sanitizer and a mask. So guys, I'm back home. It started drizzling, and I had to cut short the time lapse. I hope that you enjoyed all the time lapse that I took for this video. And right now, I'm inside my bedroom, and with me, I have this beautiful piece of musical instrument. My first ever musical instrument, the violin. I have no idea of music. I was just fond of music during my school days. I used to sing in groups, and I never played a musical instrument though. But one day by watching videos on YouTube, I heard a song called as "We Don't Know" by Strumbellas, and there was one lady, I don't know her name. She played a beautiful piece, violin piece, and I was just inspired by that. And after that, I heard a lot of violin covers of my favorite songs. So that inspired me again, to buy this beautiful device. Let me show you how it is. So guys, here is my violin. It's just beautiful. I have no idea how to play this device. I'm still learning. With this, I got a bow. Let me show you that. So guys, this is the bow. This part of the bow is made from horsehair. So that is just amazing. I don't know how many of you have seen Mohabbatein. You must have seen Shah Rukh Khan play this device, and he played it so beautifully. I mean, he just acted of playing the device. I don't know whether he really knows, but right now I'm not able to play the way he played in that movie. So it's been 4 days. I have to learn a lot. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I will definitely play a cover song soon if I'm able to learn this device quickly. It's one of the toughest musical instruments, and it will take some time. So before ending this video, there is one question that I need to answer. What is that one thing that I would want to change? I would want to change the way we are living right now. Right now, we are living in this kind of world. A world where we are wearing masks, a world where we are afraid of sitting outside our homes. So I want to change that. I want a free world where we don't need a mask for our protection. I want to go out. I want to breathe fresh air. I want to be, not be worried about a virus getting inside my body. I just want to go out with my family, with my friends, and have a nice time. So guys, that's it from this video. This is what a day in life looks like in the year 2020. I hope you enjoyed watching this video of mine. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon for more notifications. I'll be bringing in a lot of new videos, different types of videos. So please subscribe to my channel. So guys, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and I will see you in another video. Till then, goodbye, take care. No.